Well, what do we have here? What have I done? Look at the size of this beast. It's a 79 Honda GL1000 Goldwing. Been off the road for over 20 years. Just bought it from the original owner. And I took the side cover off so I could check out what size battery I'm going to need. This is going to be completely stripped down, the fairings and stuff. This is going to be a cafe project. But this thing's a freaking beast, man. I think I went all the way to Bancroft, Ontario, which is like 200 miles away, yesterday in a major, almost hurricane conditions, and got it back. It's like 700 pounds, this bike, 605 without fairings and stuff. So probably with the fairings, probably about 700. Anybody need fairings for 79 Goldwing? Full luggage set, fairings and stuff. This stuff has got to go. They're all in good shape. Stereo, Alpine cassette, man, in the 1980s. That was the bomb. But does not run. Haven't tried to start it. Don't want to break anything. Haven't even tried to turn it over. Bought it as is, not running, so took a big chance. Obviously going to need tires. It's going to need battery. I got to go through the electrical, change the timing belt, water pump, all that stuff before touching anything. God knows what's in the fuel tank. It's probably 20-year-old varnish. You know what, yeah, there it is. I haven't even sniffed the cap yet. Ooh, shall we sniff together? Let's look at this thing. Ooh, nasty. Oh, God. Paint thinner. Hopefully the tank is not full of rust. But we will find out. Did put a battery booster on it last night to see if the ignition would even come on, and that was not even working, so probably a fuse. Who knows? But it's like it's freaking massive. I don't have experience with massive bikes. Never rode well, you know what, I did. I had an FJ 1200. That was a pretty big bike, but not even close to this. Last time I even rode anything this side, I was 16 years old. Yamaha Venture Royale, 1981 or 82. Dealership let me take it for a ride, and I dropped it at the end of their street because I couldn't hold it up. My legs weren't long enough, and I was like 145 pounds at the time. Two guys helped me pick it up, no damage whatsoever. And I rode it back up the dealership's driveway and said, no, I do not want to drive this. Thank you very much. But yeah, this should be fun. Anyway, stay tuned for some more on this beast.